Hello, this is a quick video of Ichat Software. This software will increase your sales by about 67% if you use it faithfully every single time you send out a link or file to a customer. This software allows you to track that link that you sent or a file so that when your client or customer clicks on the file to download it or clicks on the link to view the information, you will be notified via SMS with a text message saying that your client is looking at the file right now. At that point, you can then text or call them right on the phone immediately while they're looking at your information to assist in closing the sale or following up about some information immediately with them. It's very powerful. This allows you to pretty much grow your sales very fast with this software by spying on what your customers are doing and when they're doing it. So there's no more that they say, hey, I haven't gotten your file yet or I haven't seen it. Well, you'll know that they have because you'll have a notification saying that they are looking at it at that time, in which you can call or send them a text message right away to set up an appointment or call them or try to close the sale, etc. This is very powerful and has been known to increase sales, like I said, about 67%. I'm going to jump right into just a couple, some features on here, and I'll kind of go over it quickly. And there's a full tutorial about how to use this software, from module to module purchase. But let's just take a quick look. This is the overview dashboard. The overview dashboard allows you to see how many files you have left. So for this example, I have 10 files that I'm allowed to upload into the software before I have to delete some files. So right now you can say I have one file upload and I have 9 remaining. You can increase or decrease this number based on the package that you get. This will tell you when your license expiry is expired. So this will tell you the date of when you registered the software till. You can buy monthly or yearly. This will tell you how many clients that you have under here. So you have, just say that you have 4 clients that you upload information with and share to. This will show you just the amount of number. Storage allowed, this is 1 GB, so this is 1 gigabyte of storage. Depending on the package, there could be more of this, not less. This is a minimum. The links shared, this is the secret inside the whole software, one of the magic, that's links shared. So right now we had, just say links allowed, we had 250 links allowed in this 30-day period, and I used shared 4 links with customers, and I have 246 left. So this is how that works, and I'll kind of get a little bit more into this as we go. Profile, this is just your profile of who you are, your contact information. If you have a subscription, this will tell you, what you've got. Small business plan, it's a duration is 1 month in this example, 10 files, 250 links, shares a month, and 1 gigabyte of storage. And this was the cost on this file at that time. The settings tab just allows you to edit some of your information, so you can, edit your business name if you have to, or your phone number, or your email, or even your login password. You can edit all that right over here, and then just update when you're done. Clients, this is how you'll add clients to your file. So if you already know their information, this is how you're going to add them to the software, so to reach them. So pretty much you're just going to click on the add button, and then you're just going to add their name, email, and their mobile phone number right over here. So you'll see after you add them, they just become a member inside of here on these samples that I have. And you can edit anytime just by clicking on the edit button. Files, this is where you will upload a file into the software. So if you have any type of file, it could be a PDF. I have a PowerPoint sample in here. It could be a PDF, it could be a PowerPoint, it could be AutoCAD files, it could be Word docs, it could be a video. For videos, we usually recommend that we do the external link shares because they're very big and they can weigh on your storage. So what I would do is upload them through YouTube and just make it a private link if you don't want it to be public on YouTube or even Venmo. And then at that point, copy paste the link from the share link from YouTube and then you can just use the external linking options to track those links on that. So it makes it a little bit easier, and you're not using up a lot of your storage on here. But that's something we can get into later on when I explain a little bit more into the tutorial modules that we have after you purchase. But for the sake of it, you can upload any file over here that you choose to, so any file type works. And once it's uploaded, you just press submit. You click on this to upload the file, then you press submit, and it uploads it, and it shows up on the bottom over here. So it has the name of the file that you uploaded, and then the link to it, and then there's little features over here. So what you'd want to do is assign this file if you're going to share this with somebody's email that you had a client that you're trying to follow. We're just gonna we created a client already, so then we just pick somebody from the list and submit, and then you'll see that John has this file assigned to me. And count is how many times they clicked on the link, and then you'll see the button over here for mail button, and then the X that deletes. So what these do is when you clicked on this file, it'll say link copied. So now just say you write your email to John and say, hey John, I sent you this proposal and I created it for you. Please take a look. Here's the link to it. And you put that link that I just copied right inside that message. Once they click on that link, this is what will happen. Let's just pretend they clicked on that link. I'll just open up another browser. You'll see that the file is downloading right over here. So now they downloaded your file. This is a PowerPoint, for instance. And now right at that point, I'd be notified via SMS that John is looking at my file right now. So I'm being notified right now that John is looking at my information. So now I can give them a call, or I can text message them back and saying, hey, after you take a look at the file, let's talk. Or do you have any questions while you're looking at the file, etc. This button, after you sent the email, we just click this button right over here. What this button does is it automatically sends them a text message telling them that they have an email with the information that they recommended. So what you want to do is send out the email like I just showed you, and then press this button, and then at that point they automatically know to check their email to look at the file, and then once they click on the file, we'll be notified that they're reviewing the file, and then we can SMS them back, or we can call them at that point. I just clicked on that link manually, so you'll see count 1, because that means I just looked at that link myself and I downloaded the file, and that's how that works. So now you'll know immediately when someone is downloading your file or viewing your file. You'll know, and you'll be able to speak to them right away. Multi-use link. This is if you don't have the client's information yet. So I haven't gotten the client's information. So what we're going to do is, like, this is for people use this for marketing. And just say on Facebook, I ran an ad that said, hey, download this free PowerPoint. I'm using a PowerPoint right now. So download this free PowerPoint for a directory sales proposal or whatever, and take a look at it and let me know what you think. So what you're going to do with a Facebook post is put this link right inside that post, and then when somebody clicks on it, it'll look like this. Right over here, and then it'll tell them to enter their information below to review the information from your company name. In this case, it's InvestX, but whatever company name you are, it'll fill in your name. You will need to confirm via SMS before viewing. So now they're going to enter their name, company name, their email, and their mobile phone number over here. And then once they press submit, it'll actually add them to a client. They'll become their own client over here. So it'll actually add them right to your list of clients automatically. So that's how that works. And I'll just quickly just show you an example of that. I clicked on the link. Let me see. I just clicked on the link. That's why we see one click but no clients. So once I fill out the information on here, and I'll just say ABC Roofing. I don't know. Let's just use that. And my name is John. Let's just say John M. And any email. So test at ABC. Oops. So let's just say test at abcroofing.com just for the sake of this. And then any phone number. And then submit. So now they clicked it, and you'll see how they filled out their information over here. And now the file is downloaded right over here. So now they can download the file right over here. So now they can look at that file. And now when I click on this and refresh it, you'll see one client because they added themselves to the client file right over here. So you'll see ABC Roofing. They've been added over here with their information. So that is how that works. You can use it for marketing purposes to get new clients. You can use that and let them share the information. Now, the next feature is external links. Now, this is for, let's just say you didn't have a file that you want to share with them, and you just have a website link or something that you want to show them to. So let's just say you sell products, via a website or a video or whatever you have for a website link to. What you're going to do is go to external links. So what this is going to do is make an external link. And in this case, we have, Investment Club USA as an external link. So what we do is add an external link, and let's just say for the sake of this, I'll do Ichat Software. And I want, and I save. And now there's a new external link. And now let's just say I want to do a direct send to a client that I already have inside the field. And let's just say John, the new client that just signed up. So that file is assigned to him. And at that point, it's also assigned to Chris because I already assigned this file before. But now at that point, what you're going to do is just copy paste this link, just click it, and it'll say link copied to clipboard. Now you would send an email out saying, hey, John, from ABC Roofing, take a look at my website on how it can help you grow your business. Take a look at this iChat software. And I put the link in here, the shareable link right inside their email for them to view it, and then I can send them the notification again. This will tell them once again the same as the other one that they have an email, so they can click this and their client will automatically know. Look at your email. There's a link from John. There's a link from InvestX in this case. So once they read the email and they click on it, they'll be brought right to the website, the main hub of the website, where they can see your information on the website, and then you'll be notified directly, instantly, that John is viewing your information. Once again, he's viewing your link, so he's viewing your information again. In which case, you can call or text message him again to speak to him right away to try to ask him for more information, or if he's viewed the website or whatever, the video that you sent to him or anything. So at that point, you can speak to them directly. It's the same as the files thing. Just instead of a file being downloaded, it's a website link or a link, any external link. Multi-use works the same as the other multi-use. What it does is makes a form for that link. So once again, we copy the link and we throw it inside here, and it's just the same thing. So what they're going to do is fill in the information. So their company name again. So let's call it ABC, marketing in this case, and John. Let's call it Johnny P. And this is testing at marketing .com, and then they would enter their information and submit. Now what this will do is, rather than download a file, this will automatically redirect them to the website information. So once again, you can for lead generation as well. And in this case, you're going to see a 1 and a 1. So we had one click. I clicked on it, and a client actually signed up from it. So this will track your analytics from that link and that redirect as well. Anytime you can just delete any one of the links that you want. If you want to do that over there, you can do that. If you want to delete the master file, you can delete it from the all section where you add the links and just delete them over there, and that'll get rid of them directly. But that's it. That's how powerful the software is. It allows you to track everything that your client is doing and be able to speak to them immediately while they're reviewing your information live. So this way you can try to close them, get an appointment, or whatever you're trying to do at that point for a conversion. It allows you to do that immediately. But that's how the software works. Feel free to reach out and give us a call or an email with any questions that you might have. And thank you very much. Have a great day.